Heyo. All right, we're gonna try this with uh, my desktop audio, but I have the feeling it's gonna get taken down actually because I'm playing musics, and usually that makes the stream get taken down. But I have it really quiet right now, so let me know. I have the chat open. Let's give me 1 second to get started. I don't even know if that music is really that hearable. All right, cool. Where did that go? So welcome to the second Bradbury stream of all time, which is just so exciting. Yeah, we want to switch targets. Just getting everything loaded. Is that too quiet or too loud, Amanda? Here, I'll just say it in chat. You guys are so helpful in chat. It's good? Okay. Cool. Every time I try to stream with music, I end up like not necessarily regretting it, but it breaks it whenever it gets recorded in DVR. Which I can't believe they're still using DVR as a term. That's what YouTube uses for streams. I've been streaming on YouTube for a couple years now, and they still just DVR just sounds old, like an ancient technology by today's standards. All right. Supposedly we got some student work in here. Yeah, it's looking good. Look at that. I dig it. Got mats and frames. I did not install these, by the way, so you can thank Hillary for that. I think the lighting has not been set up yet. It's kind of fun how they're sort of glowing, though. Nice. See if these are framed yet. Looks like they are. Cool. It is copyright, you hear. Nice. Very cool. Ooh, I gotta work on the normal maps on the walls. I'm noticing there's some weird little scritchy scratches on there. Very cool. So we're starting to get the student work in there. Getting stuff the right proportions. I just got an email from Autodesk seeing how the... It's all good, Hillary. Let's see how Nicole's second piece came out. Her first piece did a pretty interesting thing. It ended up kind of inverting itself. It basically did the inverted mask effect. You know that illusion where you spin a mask around and it inverts, like that optical illusion. So the same kind of thing happened. Let's see how the second one came out. Might have better luck in here. Yeah. Hey, that's not bad. What is this little person? What is this little person down here? Did I even know? Maybe I just didn't notice that in the pictures. Yeah. So yeah, we'll probably have to do these again. But oh, look, it's like refracted twice. Oh, how trippy is that? Pretty dope, though. Yeah. We'll probably just need more pictures from Nicole, which is fine. It's all good. Actually, I just got a set from somebody else just uploaded a set. Download these real quick. Looks like this is Easton. Okay, the person's part of the piece. That's good to know. I'm going to download this. While that's downloading, I'll continue to mess with my stuff. Oh, I probably shouldn't have this open. Oh, whatever. Alright, so the main thing I wanted to work on is I got a... Not in this Unity project. We're going to kind of put this one aside for now. In the other Unity project, I got the scripting done in this one. Cool. So let's get Easton's loaded in here since it's just finished downloading. Oh, please do that in a folder. Oh, I didn't do it in a folder. That's the worst. There we go. Ooh, this may not be enough. How many is this? Oh, 43. Okay, that should be enough. Yeah, my issue with these ceramics and shiny stuff is that shiny stuff is really hard to get a good effect. Alright, cool. Alright, so this was the big improvement, which I'm just going to copy. Drake can critique my code. Where? Oh, there it is. All right, let's import this script. All right, and basically pretty easy script setup. We just have it where it's grabbing artist name, artwork. I'll probably create a couple others. I think I need date. You know, I could just do these as like first line instead of artwork. Second line. Oh wait, no, that one needs to stay as artwork. feel that, Drake. Very much relate to that. Oh, recap crashed. Yeet. Thanks, Autodesk. So basically what's going to happen with this script is... oh, you know what? Actually, yeah, this is the right script. I was just thinking maybe this is the wrong one. Essentially, what we'll have is something like the first line, the second line, and then the artwork tag. So we'll tag different things as artwork. So within Unity in the upper right, you can say tag, add a tag. I'll add one called artwork. And whenever we tag this as artwork, each piece. Unity selection system sucks. What is this one named? Am I crazy? What am I doing wrong? It's nested in there. Oh, it's nested as the actual sprite. Ah, okay. That's all good. So basically, we'll tag each one of these things as artwork. So we'll tag that as artwork. Tag that as artwork. Tag that as artwork. And then in game, I put this on the wrong component. On the camera, we'll have this script, which the script is a little backwards right now. But basically, what should happen is this could say like Landon art. And it's just going to print right now. I don't have it tied to a UI, but I'm raycasting from myself. So whenever I look at something, oh wait, I had this messed up. Oh, we don't even have these tied to anything right now. Let me just recompile that real quick. I like your emoji code, Amanda. So it should say selected at the bottom of my screen. It doesn't. Cool. My code is somehow broken. Game object Landon is missing. What? Oh. That shouldn't matter. Oh. No. Oh, these might need colliders on them. Let's see if that fixes it. Oh, I just freaking invalidated it. Okay, it has a box collider. Yeah, how's everybody's remote semester going? I know mine has been just lovely. By the way, for everybody new to Unity, I find the F key to be the most valuable thing. Tapping the F key easily, it's like the frame your camera key. So if I tap this light and hit F, it'll frame my camera around that thing. I'm gonna turn off selection on the base architecture. There you go, that makes things a little easier. some weird issue here with this sprite. So I think what needs to happen is basically each of these sprites need to have a box collider component on them or something. What do they have nested under them? Oh, just a cube. Or, you know, it might be the issue. Well, we'll see. All right, let's add a box collider. Just extend it a little bit. Did I call the tag the right thing? Artwork, yeah. Oh, you know what? It might need to be on a game object. I always like the phrasing, create empty child, which is what the name is in this thing. We'll unpack this real quick. Okay, now I'm not getting any typical errors. Let's see if it tells me it's selected. Aha! It's working. You look at the console, this selected, deselected. So what's happening is it's turning on and off. It's saying, yes, this is in the center of your screen, or no, this isn't in the center of your screen. Let's do it over here on these pieces, since these are a little easier to see. Let's do a test where we don't put a box collider, and I just tag them as artwork. I'm not sure what was just selected as artwork. Where is that in the hierarchy? Who is this? Whose work is this? Madison? Yeah. I'm just going to tag the whole thing. Yeah, the whole thing's tagged as artwork. Let's hit play and see if that works again. So I'm looking in the bottom left of my screen, by the way, for it to say selected or deselected. Man, these are really kind of cool in virtual reality. They're so, like, neon. It's, like, realer than real, man. Yeah, it's not detecting it again. Nah. I think the actual object has to be tagged. So that's going to be tagged as artwork, and the mat is going to be tagged as artwork. Now let's see what happens. It's the fun bug testing. Yep, that's working. Well, it worked for like a split second. I think it's only detecting me touching the... Yeah, it only worked once for a split second. I think it's just detecting this game object. Hillary asks, is there a way to merge those objects as one piece? I mean, that's kind of what these game object things are for over here. So like this 6, if I select this 6, it should be both. If I select just the frame, that's just the frame, and just the mat, that's just the mat. But I think what's happening is there's no like renderer component on this, which is what's needed to... So how I have this working is like it's hitting the tag. It's a physics raycast, so I think there has to be like a renderer component. So like if I add... I wonder if I could just do like a mesh renderer. Yeah, it's not gonna work, never mind. Or... let's try the box collider again. I still feel like this isn't going to properly raycast on a sprite, because sprites don't like really exist. It's detecting the deselected, but not the selected. Am I just bad? It should be hitting the transform component. I shouldn't even need this box collider. Oh, I totally moved this off the wall and didn't move it back. Alright. What I really want to do is within this script, I'm going to make a new serialized field. I guess we could just do this. So what I'm just to narrate what I'm doing. So serialized fields is like it's accessible within this. People used to use public variables, but it's kind of a little bit dangerous. So a serialized field allows me to have like back in Unity actually have something to input my data into. Otherwise, it all just lives in this code and it doesn't actually come out. So like I'm gonna have a serialized field for the first line of the label, a second line of the label, the artwork, and then one for the text object. So whenever I save this and this updates, it's going to give me more fields to work with. So this one's looking for an object, which I'm going to give it this text object right here. And what I'm going to do in my code then is say, okay, if I raycast, meaning if I hit something, then what I want to do is I want to get components. Where am I going to do? Text object dot get components text. Is that it? Is that called text? Let me mute my watch. Sorry. I think it's here. Let's look it up. Yeah, it is just text. That's weird because I don't think it's going to like that. It does not like that. Oh, doesn't this need initialization after it? I don't think it's called text. Yeah, I don't think that's not right. Oh, did that just fix it? Did I just need to import the UI? Okay, that looks like that worked. So we'll say if we hit this, go to this text object and change the text to blah blah. Let's find out if that works. I kind of doubt it. But we should get some... Oh, it's not even selecting it now. the sake of speed, I'm going to add a cube right here. Tag this boy as artwork. That should make it a little bit quicker. Something's going on with my script. That shouldn't matter, but let's see if that's it. Oh. Okay, well that just raycast. I think something's going on with my mouse, honestly. So that raycast, and that should have added blah blah to this text. It did not. Oh, because I commented it out. I'm dumb. Now let's try again. Hey, yeah, buddy. Look at that. We got the blah blah down at the bottom of the screen. Something's going on with the raycast. That's okay, though. So now we just need to also turn that off. Let's just do the same. That's probably the safest. Just replace it with that. So that we aren't turning it off or anything else. Yeah, buddy. So whenever I'm looking at the object, I get the text at the bottom of the screen that says blah blah. If I look away, it goes away. Nice. All right, so now the next step is checking the actually getting an artist name in here. So my thought is associating a script that holds those values with each object, but God, do we really want to do that? Yeah, I don't think we want to do that. I think you also have to, I don't know if you have to be too close to the artwork yet here. Let's see if it works on Landon's pieces. Here, I'm going to maximize on play. So we get the scale. There we go. So you have to get pretty close. I have it where you have to get pretty close before the label will appear. So like Landon's shouldn't appear until we're like right up on it. Yeah, so that's working. Cool. This guy's still working. See, this one does not want to work. I feel like it's... I don't know. The stream seems smaller than it actually is in real life. Am I crazy? I feel like this wall goes back further. This wall right here. I have to admit, this is looking pretty good right now. Not to brag. I'm pretty happy with it. So how could we do this? How could we do this? We could get the name of the object. God, I really don't want to do that though. A tag is not a good system. No, my player's really small, actually. I don't know what's going on with the gravity here. My player's 1.65 units. That's like 5.5 feet, or 5.4 feet. So if anything, it's a little small. And the speed is pretty slow too. That's the thing, is that, like, you know, it's like I've been playing The Division a lot, which takes place in essentially a to scale New York. Like the map, you know, it's Snowdrop Engine, so it's got that kind of crazy scale stuff going on, like Assassin's Creed games. And you know, those are to scale, but the difference is that you're literally running all the time at like crazy fast speed. So it's hard to gauge, because like in real life, right? Yeah, it probably does only take like a few seconds to walk from one side to the other because you're constantly moving in the game. Um, if you were to translate that to real life. So what we need to be able to do is we need to have a tagging system, but I'm thinking also like a script. Like, I want to be able to access a variable within another object. Let's call this naming or something like that. I use such good conventional programming tools. Amanda, you should explain what you're doing for your project in BAM for your June show. Oh, oops, that's not what I want. Could we just do it like this? Yeah, for new media. What's your idea for new media? Hey, Josh. Oh yeah, we should have a name for it. Let's start the name debate now. Amanda says, okay, I'm doing a table setup 3D modeled with a bunch of stuff on it as a Vanitas, and behind it I'll have a looping video of a bunch of clips of people having fun and laughing, and it'll be called Memento Mori, Memento Vitae, which is remember you must die, remember you must live. Nice. Is this just an excuse to reuse your little table that you built last semester? That was you that built that table, right? I'm not getting that confused. you talking about, Josh? You weren't a table boy. You built a table too? You just want to take credit for... I think we did. Did we call him Table Boy? No, no, I don't remember, honestly. I feel like you're gaslighting me. Josh, do you have 2 accounts watching this right now? Are you giving me double views? Because you got one account with your capital letters and one account with your lowercase note letters. If this works, first try. If this works, my head is about to explode. Oh, yeah, buddy. First try. Yes. I am a genius. Can I add multiple text objects to a canvas? Oof. Oh wait, I'll just use... I can just use non... what are the escape characters? What's the... Oh my god. Let's see if this crashes. I think we did it again. First try. Yeah, first try. Who's Oh, that's Amanda. Oh my god. Did you just change your name, Amanda? I like the harassment of Josh. Yes. Cool. Script worked. Alright. This is a trash code, but it works. So who cares? So then we also want to load this. We want to load an artist statement. How do we want to do this? Let's add that as another text object. No, we'll do this. Yeah, we'll do it as a second text object. We'll call it statement object. I have become Josh, Destroyer of Worlds. This might be tricky to get this to display properly. Drake, do you know anything about displaying large like paragraphs, like with line breaks and stuff in oh, you know what? Okay, we'll try it like this. What is it? Get key down. Actually, I don't think it is get key down that I want. I think I want the other get key. Turns through during the frame. How I was thinking of the statements, Hillary, is that like when you look at a work, if you hold a key, it would appear on the screen. Like it would kind of fade out the rest of the screen. So I'm thinking like the whole screen sort of darkens, and you have the text in the middle of the screen. But if you would rather not do the statements this way, that's also fine. We can just do the artwork like this. I think this is a pretty good solution for titles, though. I don't think this is responsive, however. I'm pretty sure if we change... No, it is responsive. Okay. If you wanted to, though, like, Hillary, it's totally up to you, though. If you don't want to do the statements like this, like, I was thinking, oh, I aim it at here, and then if I hold E or I tap E, it pulls up their statement, and I tap E again to make it go away. But it's, again, it's totally up to you guys. So basically, this script that I just wrote called naming, which I'm going to give to you, what you'll do is you'll associate it with each object. I think what might be the best way to do this actually is not even tag these as artworks. I think what we do is we create a new game object. I think we create like a cube on top of each of these. No collider, no renderer. That should still grab the transform, I think. Let's see, this one will be tagged with artwork. Give it a naming script that's called InvisiCube. Let's see if InvisiCube works, because that might be easier than fussing with renderers. Nope, InvisiCube does not work. But if InvisiCube has a renderer on it, no, and also I don't have the artist, I don't have the titles appear until they're really close. Like, I don't want the titles to appear if they're just like this. So they have to get like this close before the title will appear. This cube should work. No. What the heck's going on? Because this cube's not working either. Does it have to have a box collider? Amanda, what did you figure out? Oh my god, it has to have a box collider. Okay. Now if the renderer is off... Oh, because it's a physics raycast. The render is off. Yeah, InvisiCube works. Yes. Alright, so that is what we will do. So each one of these... could just have a cube over it. No mesh renderer. Each one of these would be a different name. What's that format? What was that name format? I can't remember how you sent that. I think you emailed that to me, Hillary. Yeah, you did. So the format is something like, I don't know the student's last name now. Madison. The second line is title of piece 2020. Oh, we actually need 3 lines because we need a medium. Okay, let me change that real quick. Guy. Let's hop back in. Give that a second to update. Oh, scroll, yeah, adding scrolling capability in XD. Nice. I feel like we didn't cover XD as much in your coding class as we usually do. That is okay with me, though. I think I would rather, I don't know, XD's fine. And then, I don't know what the medium is, but let's say medium here. Take that, copy it, and paste it a bunch. Okay. Let's see how that works. Uh-oh. Aha! Oh, look at that. That's kind of nice. Something's going on though with my statement object of label script has not been assigned. Did I not? Oh, I think I have it in the code that statement object is turning on here. We'll just ignore that field for now. Yeah, Adobe XD, you know, it's free and like that's pretty cool. Okay, cool. So that works. I need to work on the motion blur. I don't actually think it's high enough right now. Yeah, that's really nice. Yeah, and it changes as you're looking. And it's not too invasive in the corner like that. I would like to animate it fading in and out, but that's overkill. I don't need to do that. That's too much. Yeah, I think so. Artist statement. Let's do that. So it's going to grab that artist statement. It's going to toss it into this field. Amanda, are you just like a Twine expert now? I feel like you basically are. You're the Twine genius now. I can just have two canvases, right? Like I can just have another canvas. God, I really suck at the UI in this game. Call this one artist statement or something. Oh, actually, I think I need the same canvas. I think I just need to pull this one into this one. Center. Center. Middle. Yep. I don't know if I can style the text though, Hillary. I hope it's okay if it's not italicized. I don't think I can dynamically style individual strings without changing the whole text block. Yeah, unfortunately. Did I never save this? No, I didn't. Alright, statement object goes. Let's see if that works. Yeah. It doesn't word wrap. Drake, where are you? You were supposed to help me with this. You're supposed to help me word. Here it is. Wrap. Overflow. Center alignment. I think this ceiling actually needs to be higher. Or maybe not. It's pretty good. Alright, hang on. Let's do this dynamically. Josh, you're doing your homework? The problem is my X width. Ha 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 ha, there we go. Ah. Yeah, I think it should be left aligned. What is this thing is so buggy. Drake, teach me how to make my background dark. I don't remember Drake. Where is it? Drake. Drake. Did I just totally lose my settings because I was in play mode? Oh my god, why? Ugh. Drake, I need your help. Drake. Oh, it's fine. I can figure it out. I just didn't want to Google it. Unity, UI, add a transparent layer behind text. Oh. That's the old system, though. Is it a mask? No. No, it's not a mask. It is... I feel like it's just easier for me to just make something really quick. Do 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 do. Let's do 1920 by 1080. Create. I'll just fuck. Where's my layers? How do I fill? Oh, you use Text Mesh Pro? Ah. I really didn't want to deal with Text Mesh Pro. Text Mesh. Go away, you. There we go. Here's what I think I'll do. God, there's like some really janky ways to do this where I could just have like... I wonder what happens if I have the camera's post-processing blur turn up like all the way. God, that's so jank though. Like what would happen if I just like cranked this down? Hey, that's not a bad look. So like dynamically, whenever they do this, the focus distance I'll just crank it down. More scripting. I'm gonna end in like 20 minutes if I can finish this. All right, that looks good. And then we need to grab. Let's do a new game object. We'll do a serialized fields. What is it called? Post-process volume. Oh crap. What am I actually grabbing? Is it called Bloom? I don't think it's called Bloom. I think it's called post-process volume. Nah, Hillary, it's all good. It's really not that much of a pain. I'm just trying to be overly fancy with it. So it's totally fine. The labels are working. Those are fine. The statement and bio and stuff is something that I think could be really fun. I think we should also have them on the website, but I think it would be easy to... I just need to... Oh, does this not exist? It does not. Huh, so can I just grab this? Does that work? Yeah. And if we... Okay, so we'll do post process volume. I spelled post wrong. Ah, got it. Victory. What's the name of this? Depth of field focus distance? Eesh. Hell yeah, dude. Look at that. I might need to float this, actually. Let's do that before. Is this not how floats are declared? Obviously, I don't teach C#. Oh, yeah, is it with the F? Ew. Ew. I hate that. Okay, never mind then. We don't need to float it out here. Unless it doesn't work. What is this looking for? Focus distance. Okay, maybe we do need to float it. Let's try it. Is that not going to work? Float parameter. Why can't we convert a float to a float parameter? We almost have this, guys. Ah, okay. Value equals 0.1f. That's the dumbest thing I've ever seen. Did I correct it? I can't just declare it like this. Does that work? Probably not. Probably not. No. Oh, that works. Okay. Let's try it before it breaks. So I should be able to look at something and then... Nope, okay. I don't think I ever associated the post-processing volume. I did not associate that. So let's grab it and drag it into that. Now let's try it. Nope, that didn't work either. Requires the requested component drives. Oh crap. So is it just not finding it? That's what it sounds like. Yeah, I think I have to change the profile. It was worth it. Dang, we were so close to getting my cool depth of field thing working. Something has happened because now our UI is black? You know, I did this really janky game a long time ago where whenever you looked at an object, I just had all the lights crank up as bright as they could go to make it a white background. Depth of field derives from mono behavior or component is an interface. Can I get it like this? Does that work? Nah, that doesn't work either. Alright, well, we'll do the artist statement in a more boring way. Yeah, depth of field derives from a mono behavior. That's okay. My goal of blurring the background. It's probably honestly easier just to like create a game component that's like a post-process volume that we just turn on and off. Oh my god, why didn't I just do that? That's actually like a way... That's a way smarter way of doing this. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Do I need to do something with this? It's global. Oh, I need to tell my camera to... Where is it grabbing from? This is just a lot of me talking. Thank you, Drake. Oh, do I need to mark this as post-processing? Yeah, I do. That's what's the problem. You guys are learning with me. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so if this is disabled, boop. This dude's enabled, boop. Hit play. How's that look? Looks normal, and if I was to enable this one live, boop, it would make everything blurry. Hell yeah. Why didn't I do this to begin with instead of me trying to write... I'm just gonna breathe again. That's the sound of frustration whenever you realize you could have done this in like 2 minutes rather than 20. Where are you? There we go. Oh, I'm like live editing this while it's not even done yet. Okay. Yeah, buddy. Oh, it never disables though. I just wanted to flex. That's really smooth. That's actually like really nice. Can I make it more intense? Can I go below 0.1? Can I do 0.01? Oh, that's better. All right, so let's pull that into... What key do we want? We want to use like E or something? I think I wrote this completely wrong. Let's find out. Input, get key down. Oh, yeah, I wrote that totally wrong. All right, E. All right, so if they are holding E, then we will do this and this boy right here. And we'll say else. F. We could do F. S is backwards. I'm not going to do S. Okay, I think we're good. Let's give that a try. See how slick this is. Not working. What am I doing wrong here? I might have done my key code wrong. Oh, wait. I was just getting an error. Oh, E is unknown. What am I doing wrong? Is it keycode.e or something like that? Ugh. 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 So keycode.e. This is why I don't like C#. I'm teaching, get this, all right, this is me complaining. I'm teaching processing, Swift, Kotlin, and C# in the same semester. All right, cool, that's working. It's working, it's not staying right now. It's going to be a toggle. Right now it's just like flashing. All right, I got to end the stream, guys, because I got to go But I hope it was fun watching me write this beast of a UI system that's kind of falling apart right now, but sort of also working. Hey, let's see if any of our models have finished. Oh wait, I think Recap crashed, didn't it? I don't even think they got submitted by the time that I... Let's see. Oh! Oh, nope. Easton's still uploading. Crap. Yeah, it crashed before it finished uploading. I was hoping it would be done by the time we were done with stream. All right, y'all. It's been lovely. Stay safe over the weekend. Glad to see my crew. But I gotta go. Hope you enjoyed DJ Cam's sick beats. All right. I'll see you guys. Have a good one.